Man, I'm so bored. Yeah, me too. I really like our hairstyles. It's covering both of her eyes. Don't you mean one of her eyes? Yeah. I just overheard Delilah and Maggie are bored. Hey, maybe I am too a little. Let's warm things up a bit. Girls, I have a special dinner for you prepared. I would like you to follow that blue ribbon. Not that one. It's for someone else. That blue ribbon. And there will be your special dinner. Okay, let's go. Okay, when the timer goes off, I'll set one. Okay, hang on. Where's the timer? Aha. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, come out when that timer stops. Okay. Okay, seems fun. Don't you mean yummy? Yeah, well, I'm years younger than you. Could you, give me some slack here? Sure, why not? That was the timer. Let's go for a special dinner. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Okay. Okay, Delilah, your turn. It's so hot. Hi. Take the elevator. Okay, that is my room. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm in. Beep, beep. Floor 1. Not there's any other floors, but floor 1. Beep. Okay. Okay. That took a minute or a few minutes. It only took 30 seconds though. Wait, none of us know how to count. That's so funny. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah. You still behind me? Yep, just behind you. We're here. Wait, this isn't a dinner. There's a note. I'm gonna read it. Huh? I'll read it. It says, "Where's the dinner?" You are probably wondering. There is something else on the other blue tie. ... Okay, well, let's just put this note right here. Okay, maybe it's like a little scavenger hunt. Yeah, that's funny. You're in an awfully good mood. Yes, I am. Well, let's go. I'm coming. Well, we're in the intersection. Okay, that's what it's called. Yep. It's just focusing on the right side. Focusing on the other side. That obviously, no, it's me. Oh, hey guys. Hi there. Hi, we're on a scavenger hunt. Well, it's like a journey. Can I come with you guys? I guess why not? Sure. I love your hairstyle. It looks so cute. Where we head to next? To follow this blue tie. Wow, you guys are fast. This is the end of Dad's nursery, isn't it? I thought it was our nursery. Yeah, it is the end of the nursery. We're not really allowed out of there. The music area. We love you guys. Focus on the note. I don't know how to read though. Me either. Okay, I'll grab it. It says, "Come to where the food is. ... Again? What? ... a lot. That rhymes. Well, let's go. All aboard the mag train. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. I'm the caboose. Nothing ever goes my way. Guys, what are you doing? Don't take all the food. I'm so hungry. We're not. She's in a grumpy mood. Let's not want to her again. No comment. That was just rude. Anyways, back to our hunt. I can still hear her. Ooh, my turn. This is my job. I'll go search in the food for a note. Don't get distracted by eating. I'll try not to. Okay, let's see it. I see it. Okay, there it is. Got it. All the way in the bottom. Go climb up Daddy's keyboard. That's out of bounds. We're not allowed in there. Okay. Do you know what Daddy always says? Yep, he always says. And that's not where you are. Just go with what you see. Go with what you see. See. We're all thinking the same thing right now, aren't we? Go with what you see. See. What did it quiet down there? Added. All aboard. Choo, 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 choo. Well, we're here. And look at this amazing background. I think Daddy did that for his music area. I think so. Here's a note, but we're not at the top yet. It says, don't let Autumn see you. She is grumpy. Okay. Fulfilling a new paper. Yay. That's not going to be taped together. If I went on the keyboard, it would fall. You just thought out loud. Sorry. No comment. I'll do it. I'll man up this time. Obviously, already man up. If she can do it, I can do it. Whoa! There, I'm here. What are you doing? Get out! Out! Dude! Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah. Yes, I'm okay. I'll try. No. It'll also fall. Remember the note. Don't let Autumn see you. She's grumpy. So, don't let her see you. That's why I fell. Okay. A couple of tries later. Chanting and trying. You can do it! You can do it! I have to be quiet. Just got to know. Here, I slide it down to you guys. Okay, we'll catch. There it is. You're kidding me. Why are you trying to snoop? Oh. Ouchies. That's what happens when you mess with me. I wanted that dessert. No, it's okay. Not fair. Wait. I'm okay. That was not one of the nicer times she's been. The note. Go to the closet. Is that correct? Yeah, good job. You read pretty nicely. Thank you. Still have already given up on trying to make a new paper. Well, we're at the closet. Let me try. I'm a good looker. Open this closet door. Gotta get that. Go. Found it! Huh? Am I reading this right? It says, let mittens guide you. That makes no sense. Maggie, you try. Let me see this. Let mittens guide you. You try. Let mittens guide you. Yep, it does say let mittens guide you. Still no. Meow. What? You scared us. Mittens. Wait, there's another note. Follow me. Ow. So you can read meow. Dunno. Well, let's follow him. Meow, 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 this is a nice one. Huh? What are you doing here, Dad? Oh, hey Maggie. Hey Delilah. Hey. Oh, huh? Hey Ava. I didn't see you there. I see you two passed my scavenger hunt. When did you get here? I was sitting on the chair. Flashback. Trying to keep my mind off it. Keeping on the right side, looking on the right side. Yeah, can I join the journey? Sure. Okay, let's go. I'm Flashback. Oh, I see. So you were just in the chair and you could, well, I have 3 slimes. I've got 3 babies. A 3-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 2.5-year-old. This is your surprise. Better than dinner. I know you can, guys can get dinner after they tell the story. Okay, that makes sense. Come on. Okay. Yes, little girl, you can sit on that. So feel tall. Okay, and there. Pick one. 3 slimes, 3 babies. Pick one. I know. Pick this one up. I want this one. Sorry, wrong voice. I want this one. And do you want this one? That's what I wanted. Okay, so that worked nicely. Okay, so this is Orange Crush. It is. Hang on, if I could open it. I don't know how to do it. Okay. It's Orange Crush. It has orange foam beads with some black glitter. I don't know if you guys can see it. Tiny little black specks. Yeah, you can't see it, but there is black glitter in there. So it's Orange Crush, orange foam beads, crunchy slime, orange foam beads, black glitter, and clear. That's a good one. This one's a little tricky to open. So, abracadabra! Yeah. Actually, I made this just before I made this video. This is white cream. It's a really nice one. It's super nice. Slime away, and this was my first one. Gross name, but it's Troll Bogies. Ew. Yeah. It's Troll Bogies. So that was my first slime that I ever made. That was second and that was third. Anyways, yes, slime away. But before you do, I would like to give everyone a quick little ASMR of each slime. And the camera fell. And it fell again. And this one. Let me know if you want to see some ASMR of some slime ASMR. I made ASMR like a month ago, and it was my boring slime ASMR. It was boring. It was bad. I was the only like. Let me know if you want to see more, because now I have more subscribers. Hang on, because of course I love making slime bubbles and hearing the crack or pops. That's my favorite. That was it, really. That's orange cream. That's a good one. Or orange crush. This is a good one. It's white cream. It's so nice. Anyways, poke away. I really hope this doesn't go in my hair. I'll just use my feet. I like to poke it with my feet. Good idea, but I have pants, so I'll just do it. Ooey. Hee hee. I don't have real hair, so I can roll all over it. I don't even really care about my clothes. Daddy probably does, but I love slime so much. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.